Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Safari history using an iPhone. It's actually an interesting setting that's buried quite deep inside Safari, so I'm going to demystify it and show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have Safari just opened up onto a google.com website, and so nothing unusual about this, just standard kind of Google stuff. Now, you would think that this would be quite a straightforward thing to find. In fact, it's much easier on an iPad than it is on an iPhone, right? So, you could go through all of these different options, try to find anything, but it's not as easy as you actually think. So this is where the setting is, at least where I tend to find it. On the three dots at the bottom right-hand corner, give those a click. From here, you want to go over to where it says bookmarks in the bottom left-hand corner. Give that a click. From here, you will see you've got bookmarks, you've then got this one here, which is like, I don't know, a search or something. And then you've got this one over here on the far right-hand side. It looks like a little clock, and that is your history. Inside here, you have all of your history on the different days that you've been looking at. And of course, you've got the three dots at the top here where you could clear absolutely all of your history in one foul swoop, or alternatively, you can come across and you can swipe and delete each individual day, or contained within each of those days or afternoons or whatever, you could find exactly what it is that you're looking to delete, and you could delete those individually. For the most part, I think most people will probably just come straight up to here and clear all of the history or selected websites. You could click on that and you could go ahead and select the very specific websites that you wanted to delete. Okay, for the most part, we can just go ahead and swipe it off and it will delete the history of that specific day. Or this morning, I'll go ahead and delete, for example. Okay, honestly, it is quite interesting that they've buried this setting for history inside the kind of function of bookmarks. I find that quite interesting that they've kind of grouped it all together there, and it isn't easy to find if you are new to Safari browsing. And so that is kind of as easy as it is to delete your Safari history on an iPhone. A little bit interesting that it's buried the way that it is, but ultimately, you can still delete your history from Safari. If this has worked for you, found it useful, informative, hit that like button, really do appreciate that. Subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.